Good morning, students. This is the first session of general knowledge of this year. Okay, so concentrate well. You can know more things when you study general knowledge. Okay, your first topic is flowers of the states. So every state has a special flower for it. So let us see one by one. So this flower is found more in Odisha and it will be found in Ashoka. Okay, it is called as Ashoka flower, and this is more found in Gujarat, which is marigold, and this is more found in Haryana, which is lotus, and this is more found in Assam, which is foxtail orchid. Okay, it is orchid. Then this is more found in Meghalaya and it is called lady's slipper. And this is more found in Tamil Nadu, which is called glory lily. This is more found in Kerala, which is called golden shower tree. Okay, this is more found in Jharkhand, which is called palash flower. Okay, this is more found in Uttarakhand and is called Brahma Kamal. Now let us see some information about tasty spices. You know what are spices? That means காரங்கள். ஓகே, காரம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக நிறைய ஸ்பைசஸ்லேருந்து கிடைக்கும். அதில் சில ஸ்பைசஸ் தே ஹவ் கிவன் வித் ஸ்பெஷல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ். See, cardamom is a fruit of a reed-like plant. The seeds within the pod are used. It has a strong sweetish flavor. Small ones are better flavored. Cardamom means what? It is just a fruit, but when it dries up it will become cardamom. Okay, then pepper is a black and white berries. It improves flavor and adds piquancy. It is used as table condiment. Okay, then bay leaf is the leaf of common laurel tree. It has very mild, sweet, distinctive flavor. Pod of chili are dried and powdered. It is pungent, red in color. It is used in various preparations to enhance the taste and color. Saffron is a dried stem of the flower of crocus plant. It is deep orange in color and is very expensive. It is used to enhance taste as well as a color in certain Mughlai preparations as well as desserts. Saffron na kunguma பூ சொல்வாங்க. Okay, then fenugreek seeds is obtained from dried ripe fruits of an annual plant. It is grown in European countries and in India. Okay, its fresh leaves are used as leafy vegetable and the seeds are used in various preparations of curries, pickles as well as for tampering. Cinnamon is spice is obtained from the thin inner bark of the tree. It has the fragrant odor with sweet taste. It can also be obtained in powdered form. Cinnamon. Turmeric is obtained from aromatic root of rhizome of a plant. It has a characteristic yellow color. It is one of the best natural antiseptic available. Now let us see some information about floral feelings. When you see some flowers, you will feel different things, right? So let us see one by one what will you feel when you see all these plants. Okay, first one is pansy. When you see pansy, what you will feel means loving thoughts. Likewise, when you see sunflower, you will get pride. When you see lavender, you will get devotion. When you see oleander, you will get caution. When you see daffodil, you will get respect. When you see dahlia, it is instability. When you see hyacinth, it is sincerity. Chrysanthemum, it is cheerfulness. Poppy is imagination. Morning glory is about affection. Jasmine is about wealth. White Jenna is about goodness. Forget me not. There is a flower called forget me not. When you see, you will get memories. Hibiscus means delicate beauty. Orchid means charm, and daisy means purity. And now let us see some common names of the biological names given. See, this plant you already know. In Tamil we say it is Arasa Maram Ele. Okay. So it is Ficus religiosa Len. In normal common language we call it as people tree. Then this tree is Acacia nilotica. It is nothing but bubble tree. Next, this one is Magnifera indica. It is mango tree. Okay. Then this one is Jacaranda mimosifolia. It is jacaranda tree. Okay. Then this is Ficus bengaliensis. It is banyan tree. It is Ocimum tenuiforum flower. Okay, it is basil. Artocarpus integra. It is jackfruit. Azadida diracata indica. It is neem. Okay. Then these are some animals' name. Felis catus means cat. Capra hircus means goat. Ursidae carnivora means bear. Okay. Delphinidae delphis means dolphin. Rana tigrina means frog. Panthera tigris means tiger. Equus asinus means ass. Equus calibus means horse. Now you can see you have the same front name for donkey, that is ass and horse. See, Equus, Equus. Only the second name changes. Asinus, calibus. Then Rodentia ratus. It is called rabbit. We have a crossword puzzle here. Okay, it is a plant puzzle. Let us solve it. Okay, now let us see the first one. It is a plant which bears pink or white blossoms. Okay, I will tell you how much letter it will consist. You should just guess it. Okay, it consists 9 letters. Did you guess till now? Yeah, it is nothing but Jacaranda. Jacaranda. Second one, a small evergreen tree with smooth and shining leaves and greenish yellow flowers. It pours water as if it weeps. It is native to southern Europe and United States. It is also called bay tree. What is it called? Laurel. Laurel. Then third one, a tall water plant of the sedge family. It was merely abundant in the Nile region of Egypt. It is called as papyrus. Okay. Papyrus, papyrus. Fourth question. A plant with fleshy stems, branches bearing spines or scales instead of leaves and sometimes showy flowers. It is grown in hot and arid part of North and South America. We think it is nothing but cactus. Okay. Fifth one, a long tree from the leaves of which oil is extracted for use as perfume and medicine. A native of Australia, it is also valued for timber and gums. It is called as eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. Sixth one, it is a plant grown for its thread-like fibers from which linen is made. Linen. It is called flax. Flax. Seventh one, a tall Asiatic plant. It is grown for its tough fiber. The fiber is used for making rope, sail, clothes, etc. It is nothing but hemp. H-E-M-P. Hemp. Okay. An indigenous medicinal plant found in Kashmir and some other parts of India. It is used for treatment of high blood pressure. It is nothing but Rauwolfia. Rauwolffia. Okay. Ninth one, a clover or clover-like plant which leaflets in group of tree. It is used as emblem of Ireland. So I think you have seen a leaf like this which will be there in a flag, right? It is Ireland's flag. Okay. It is called as shamrock. Shamrock. 10th question. A tall plant with sticky green pods. It is used in soups, stews, etc. made from these pods. It is called as okra. The next topic is animals' movements. First one. A cock will strut. Struts. Struts. A lion prowls. Prowls. Yes. Okay. Yes. A rabbit will leap. Leaps. Okay. A donkey trots. Trots. A bird flies. An eagle swoops. Swoops. A bear lumbers. 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 A lamb frisks. 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 The horse gallops. Okay. Gallops. Gallops. A duck waders. Okay. Waddles. Waddles. An elephant ambles. Ambels. Ambles. A deer bounds. 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 Now let us see some special characteristics of animal living in polar region. What are they? See, although they cannot fly, they are expert swimmers using their flippers to push them through water. This is nothing but penguin. Okay, they cannot fly with their wings, but they're not called wings, they're called flippers because it flips to move front in the water. Penguin flips. Okay, the big tusks of this animal are useful for defending itself from predators. It is called walrus. Okay, walrus. This is walrus. And obviously, this is penguin. Next, these are very intelligent animals with distinctive black and white bodies. They eat fish and other animals that live in the ocean. These are called killer whale. These. Okay, it will not be in the size of a whale, but these will kill some fish to eat as its food. So it is called killer whale, but it will be somewhat bigger in size than other fishes. Okay. These creatures spend the winter under ice sheets. They breathe through holes in the ice. This is Weddell seal. See, this is Weddell seal. Okay. Next one. They have thick oily coats which keep them warm. Their wide feet so help them to move around the snow. They are called as polar bear. We already know it, right? Next. Their coats turn white in winters to help them hide in the snow. They are Arctic fox. Okay. Then it may be very cold in the North Pole, but plants still grow here to provide food for ice bunnies. They are called ice bunnies, which is nothing but Arctic hare. Another name for rabbit is hare, Hare, hare. So these are Arctic hare which lives in the Arctic, that is North region. Okay. Now let us see another puzzle. Okay, to complete. It is a massive sea animal for the sea family, native of North Pacific to the North Atlantic. It is two husks projecting from the upper jaw, a thick mustache, a very thick hide, and a heavy layer of blubber. It is called as walrus. 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 Okay. Then a tailless bird of New Zealand. It has long, slender bill, undeveloped wings, and hair like feathers. This is called as Apteryx. 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 Third one, a mammal that feeds mainly on ants. It has long, sticky tongue and a long snout. It is called as anteater. 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 Fourth one, a large seabird. It has long and narrow wings and a large hooked beak to carry water. It is called albatross. 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 Then a toothless mammal of Central and South America. It has on armor-like covering of bony plates. It is called as armadillo. Okay. Then sixth one, a large antelope of North Africa and Arabian. It has long and twisted horns. It is called as Adax, ADAX, Adax. Then seventh one, a kind of fauna of Bolivia and Peru. It has long and silky wood. Kind of fauna. It is type of animal of Bolivia and Peru. Okay, it is silk. It has long and silky wool. This is wool. Okay, it is called as alpaca. ALPACA. Then a small goat-like antelope of the mountains of Europe and southwestern Asia. It has straight horns with tips bent forward. This is called as chamo. Yes. Okay, chamois. Then a vegetarian fur-bearing animal found in Asia, America, and Europe. It is nothing but beaver, 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 a small insect eating mammal of Europe. It has shaggy coat and sharp spines on the back which bristle and form a hedge like defense when an animal curls up. It is called as hedgehog. Sorry, hedgehog. That is HEDGEHOG. Hedgehog. A small redoubt found in South America. It is soft and pale grey fur is expensive. It is called as chinchilla. Okay, CHINCHILLA. Next one. An Arctic animal feeding on dead seal and whales. It is called as fulmar. 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 Okay. Then an animal with a small hound like with a smooth coat, short legs, and dropping ears. It is called as beagle. 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 Last one. A bushy tailed mammal about the size of a cat. It has glossy black fur, usually with white stripes down in its back. Okay, it ejects an offensive smelling musky liquid when molested. It is called as shunk. 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 Okay.